We're gonna start this project with large brush. We'll dip brush in bright yellow and we'll paint an arch. Next, we'll make a lot of brush strokes on the left side of the arch. Now we can fill in the space between yellow brush strokes with a different shade of yellow. After you are done with yellow background, you can wipe your brush with paper towel. We're gonna skip some space and create another red arch next to yellow one. Now you can paint in the whole corner. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in dark green paint. We'll paint a green arch next to white space. We'll wash our brush in water and then wipe it with paper towel. We'll dip our brush in white paint and fill in the space between green and red. We'll move brush side to side until both colors are blended. You can wipe your brush and add one more layer of white. I'm using red to cover the edges. We're gonna switch to a small brush and black paint to create seeds. We're gonna try to paint them far from each other. Our final step will be to sign your name in the corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.